What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining another edition of Problem Solved. If you're a fan of ramen noodles like I am, then this video's for you. I'm not sure if you know, but the instructions, of course, only give you the option. They tell you how to make them on the stovetop. So I've perfected a way to make these ramen noodles in the microwave in about 3 minutes. Let's get started. You're going to need to start with some boiled water. You start out with boiling hot water. You pour it over the ramen and put it in the microwave for a minute. After a minute, you simply separate the ramen noodles. You can see here the water isn't completely covering the whole ramen noodle pack. Separate it out, unfold it basically, and straighten out the ramen noodles so that they're all covered evenly, submerged under the water. After they're separated out, you simply put your microwave back on for another minute. Now you add the flavor. Of course, you probably know that the amount of sodium is really high in these ramen noodles. I use half a pack. Cuts down on the sodium, you still have the flavor. Just one more minute of cook time and you're all done. Voila. Perfect ramen noodles in the microwave. Mix them up. Let them cool off to your taste. The longer they sit and cool, the more they'll absorb the water and the more cooked they'll be. But they're basically ready to go now, but they're super hot. So if you let them sit a minute or two, I found that's best, and it's perfect. So you could basically make your ramen noodles anywhere where there's a microwave. Comes in handy at work. Very few workplaces have a stovetop where it would allow you to make this style ramen noodle. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you enjoy your ramen noodles. If you try this method, I know you'll enjoy it. I love it. It's perfect every time. Again, about 3 minutes and you're good to go. So don't forget to pound that subscribe button. That'll help me out a lot. If this video helped you out a lot, I thank you for your time and I hope you continue to watch. And again, thanks for sharing your time with Problem Solved.